Hello, teachers. You've been giving out those awesome positive behavior badges in focus. But now what? How do your students spend their hard-earned badges for tangible rewards? In this video, we're going to show you exactly how to do that. First, you will log into your Focus account as usual. Go to the Positive Behaviors tab on the left. To spend badges from a student's available balance, enter the desired amount in the Spend column. If the entered amount exceeds the student's available balance, it will automatically adjust to match their balance. To spend the same number of badges for all students, enter the desired amount in the Spend column next to All. And don't forget to choose Save in the top right corner. If the comment before Save option is enabled, enter an optional comment in the pop-up window and click Confirm. Remember, you can hide alert icons and select Exclude Absent to remove students who are absent on the current day from the list. Spending positive behavior badges in Focus is a powerful way to reinforce good choices, one badge at a time. Thanks for watching! To receive more videos tailored to your needs, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and complete the content request form.